Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've got your file open in Tableau, connect directly to the spreadsheet or CSV, and go to the Data Source tab. Once there, enable Data Interpreter. It runs immediately and produces a new cleaned worksheet. You do this because Interpreter detects header rows, merges broken rows, and removes extraneous notes so your columns align. Make sure to glance at the clean table. Don't assume perfection, but start the cleanup process now so downstream steps are faster and more predictable. Once the data interpreter finishes, inspect the clean sheet and the metadata grid to confirm headers and data types. You want consistent types for dates, numbers, and strings. If headers are stacked, pivot or split columns now so each field is atomic. Rename ambiguous fields for clarity and convert types where Tableau guessed wrong. Make small sample visualizations to validate that numbers aggregate correctly and dates sort properly. These checks prevent silent errors when you build dashboards. Finish by creating an extract or saving the clean data source so your work is reproducible and faster to load. Then build a quick test sheet that uses expected joins, filters, and a couple of calculations to confirm results match your source intent. If values are missing or headers misalign, check the original file for merged cells, hidden rows, or multi-line headers. These are common causes. As a troubleshooting tip, open the raw source and remove formatting artifacts. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.